After 13 long years, a Mumbai court is finally set to deliver its verdict in the 2002 hit-and-run case involving actor Salman Khan. The court has set 6th of May as Judgment Day. Here's a look at the twists and turns the case has taken over more than a decade.
An accident in the heart of Mumbai. 1 dead, 4 injured. A superstar indicted. And after an excruciatingly long 13 years wait, now finally a verdict date. 6th May will decide whether the victims will get closure in the infamous hit-and-run case. Salman Khan faces up to 10 years in jail if found guilty.
The defense submitted the copies of judgments on which the defense relying on in support of their case, and thereafter the Honorable Court was pleased to close the case, and now the case is kept for judgment on 6th of May 2015. The prosecution has examined 27 witnesses in this case in support of their claim that the accused was drunk at the relevant time and he was driving the vehicle at a very high speed.
Prosecution demanding maximum punishment for the actor, alleging he was not just drunk in driving, but also fled the spot. A startling twist coming to fore just days before the final verdict. Salman's driver appearing in court, taking the blame of the entire incident after 13 years. The defense even claiming that the victim sustained serious injuries not in the mishap itself, but when the wrecked car fell on them while being lifted by the police crane. But what could nail Salman is his former bodyguard Ravindra Patil's damning claims. Patil had claimed that Salman was drunk that night. The defense argued that Patil's evidence, who has since passed away, could not be accepted as he could not be cross-examined. A case which was once believed to be an open and shut case has been entangled in the judicial system for 13 long years. Question is, will the victims get closure on 6th May? With Vidya in Mumbai, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.